ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു CSC Drums. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ലോയിലെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുകളാണ്. അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ആനന്ദ് പാറ്റേൺ മിൽക്ക് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റി ഈസ് ഡിഫൈൻഡ് ആസ് പെർ സെക്ഷൻ ഡാഷ് ഓഫ് KCS ആക്ട് 1969. ആൻസർ 2AC. The rank list for appointments in PACs is prepared by CSCB. RCMPU is defined as per section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 2 PB. Dash Constitution Amendment in the year dash relates to cooperation. 97 Constitution Amendment in the year 2011 relates to cooperation. Part 9B was added to Indian Constitution as per dash Constitution Amendment. 97th Constitution Amendment. The formation of partnership cooperative societies was allowed as per section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 14B. Audit report is mentioned rule dash of KCS Act 1969. Rule 64B. A notice of general body shall be given to the members at least dash clear days of the meeting. 15. Interest rate of deposits of cooperative credit societies are fixed by Registrar. According to the KCS Act 1969, for the registration of a cooperative society, the number of applicants shall not be less than dash, each such person from different families. 25. According to the KCS Act 1969, whether the registrar refuses to register a cooperative society, he shall communicate the order of refusal within dash days of such order. 7 days. According to the KCS Act 1969, the first general body meeting of a cooperative society shall be convened by the chief promoter within dash days from the date of registration. 3 months. According to the KCS Act 1969, a society shall not admit members within dash prior to the date of election or the date of the general body. 60 days. According to KCS Act, in order to make amendment in the bylaws of a cooperative society, a resolution to that effect that shall be passed by a dash majority of members present and voting in the general body meeting. 2/3. According to KCS Act, the maximum number of members of representative general body shall not exceed at a dash in any case. 500. According to KCS Act, each type of disputes are referred to the Cooperative Arbitration Court for settlement. Non-monetary dispute. The maximum amount of share capital that can be raised in a cooperative society as per its bylaws is called authorized share capital. The registration fees for a cooperative society with the area of operation more than one district is 10,000. The initial members who are coming forward to organize a new society are called promoters. The remuneration given to the president of a cooperative society is called honorarium. The first committee of a society by the promoters is called a dash committee. Ad hoc committee. Members who have no voting right in the society is called dash members. associate members. not less than dash percentage of net profit shall be carried to MRF. 10%. Registrar of Dairy Cooperative Societies in Kerala is Director of Dairy Development. Promotion of employees of a cooperative society is a duty of Managing Committee. Registration of a cooperative society is mentioned in section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 7. Authorized share capital of a cooperative society will be usually dash the paid up share capital higher than paid up share capital. In a cooperative society, an officer appointed by the registrar to decide a dispute is called arbitrator. Authority competent to fix the rate of sitting fees to the committee members of a cooperative society is Registrar. The Cooperative Examination Board shall consist of not more than dash members. 3. The cooperative movement in India started as a dash policy. State policy. Education fund of a cooperative society is generally used by SCU. One man, one vote principle was recommended by dash committee. McLachlan Committee. The Institute of Cooperative Management is run by NCCT. Amendment of Bylaw of Central or Apex Societies should be registered after consulting with the dash State Cooperative Union. The returning officer for the election of Circle Cooperative Union is Assistant Director. The custodian of minutes book of a society is Secretary. As per Cases Act, every cooperative society shall allocate not more than dash of its net profit to cooperative education fund. 5%. As per Cases Act, the maximum dividend that can be declared in a cooperative society is 25%. The authority competent to write off bad debts in a cooperative society is General Body. The interest for deposits in a cooperative society is fixed by Registrar. The strength of a staff in a cooperative society is fixed by Government. Competent authority responsible for producing reports of a cooperative society for audit is Secretary. Dash fund of a cooperative society cannot be attached by any court. Reserve fund. Person responsible for the custody of cash, securities and all other properties of a society is its Chief Executive. The number of members in the Managing Committee of Kerala State Cooperative Union is 23. Subsidiary State Partnership Fund is established by Central Bank by money received from Apex Bank. An award under Section 70 can be executed as per Section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 76. Dash has the power to exempt any society from any of the provisions of Section 101 of KCS Act. Government. If the committee of a society fails to conduct the committee meeting consecutively for 6 months, the registrar can appoint administrator as per section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 33. Special officer defined in section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 2 QC. The share suspense account should be deposited in the financial bank within dash days. 14 days. The ad hoc committee will be in charge for a period of dash months from registration of society. 3 months. The officer who executed the decree in a cooperative society is sale officer. The officer who executed the award is called sale officer. Award is issued as per section dash of KCS Act. Section 70. An order issued by sale officer appeal before dash. Registrar. The period of limitation to an award is dash years. 12 years. The person appointed by the registrar to decide the dispute under section 69 is called the arbitrator. Arbitration in cooperative society is done as per section dash of KCS Act. Section 69 and 70. Vigilance officer is appointed as per section dash of KCS Act. Section 68A. The name of a cooperative society shall be changed by section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 10. Amalgamation division of cooperative societies is done by the section dash of KCS Act. Section 14. Dash is the custodian of records of Cooperative Tribunal. Secretary of Cooperative Tribunal. The headquarters of Kerala Cooperative Tribunal is at Thiruvananthapuram. A cooperative society can give appeal to the government as per section dash of KCS Act 1969. Section 83. The shares in a cooperative society can be transferred as per section dash of the KCS Act. Section 23. Admission of members and allocation of shares in a cooperative society is the duty of managing committee. The constitution of a society is its dash. Bylaw. The rules and regulation of a cooperative society is formed in its general body. An order of equity under section 65 by joint registrar appeal revision before dash. Government. The registrar can supersede a managing committee by section dash of KCS Act. Section 32. Supervision and inspection in a cooperative society is done by section dash of KCS Act. Section 66. A surcharge imposed by section dash of KCS Act. Section 68. Amendment of bylaw of a cooperative society shall be made by general body. The resolution for amendment of bylaw of a cooperative society passed by a general body should be forwarded to the registrar for registration within dash days of such resolution. 30 days. Amendment of bylaws of a cooperative society is done as per dash of the Cases Act. Section 12. Any order referred under Section 76 of the Cases Act 1969 is called award. Cancellation of registration certificate of a cooperative society is done as per dash of Cases Act. Section 15. The representative general body meeting is done as per rule dash of the Cases Act. Rule 34. The representative general body meeting is done as per section dash of the Cases Act. Section 27, subsection 2. A special general body meeting is done as per rule dash of the Cases Act. Rule 36. After receiving a requisition in writing from the registrar, a special general body meeting of the society shall be conducted within a period of dash months. 1 month. A society shall convene first annual general body meeting within 3 months after obtaining registration. An arbitrator is appointed by Section 70 of Cases Act 1969 by Registrar. A decision of an arbitrator in writing is called award. The election procedure in a cooperative society is done by returning officer. The winding up of a cooperative society means liquidation. Writing of bad debts and losses is in rule dash of Cases Act. Rule 62. The fees to be paid by a member to file an election petition to tribunal under Cases Act 2000. The acquisition of managing committee of a society by registrar is called supersession. Under Section 22 of the Cases Act, any member can share in a cooperative society not exceeding dash of total share 1/5. A cooperative society is a body corporate under Section dash of Cases Act. Section 9. Reservation for women members is specified in Section dash of Cases Act 28A. Dash appoints returning officer to conduct the election in a PACs. Cooperative Election Commission. A statement of business to be translated in a meeting is called agenda. Written record of the proceedings of the meeting is called minutes. The minimum number of persons to be present in a meeting in order to get legal validity to decisions taken in the meeting is called quorum. The chief promoter of a society is bound to convene the first general body meeting within dash months from the date of registration. 3 months. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള 100 ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുകൾ. നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തേക്കുക, ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കനും കൂടി ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്തേക്കുക. താങ്ക് യു.